All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1017, Allen case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mrs. Allen or Miss Allen?
It's Mrs. still.
Mrs. Okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my husband and I have been separated for 5 months.
Okay.
And now I have filed for divorce. He has started seeing someone else, and I would like back pay for our son. He is 12 years old.
Okay. Do you want back pay because he's seeing someone else?
Well, because he is supporting somebody else. He's no longer in our home. Okay. And I would like to have back pay and start paying child support for our son. That he is living with me.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're not, you want back pay for the child, right? Not necessarily because he's moved on.
Buckle up. This isn't just your average day in court. Emotions are flaring, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Meet Mrs. Allen. After 5 long months of separation, she's not only seeking a divorce, she's also demanding back child support. But wait, there's a juicy twist. Her estranged husband's new girlfriend? She used to be one of Mrs. Allen's own yoga students. Yep, you heard that right. Now the courtroom has turned into a battleground where love, betrayal, and finances collide. Can justice cut through the drama, or will personal history muddy the waters? We're about to break down the shocking dollar amounts, the unexpected decisions, and the moment that left everyone in court speechless. This is one case that could flip their futures upside down.
Since he left, has he given you any type of support?
Yes.
Okay, how much?
About
600.
600 each month?
Money orders every month, ma'am.
Okay, money orders? Okay, good. And it looks like you turned those in to me. Okay. So you want child support and back pay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. And what do you have to say about that?
I don't think I need to give back pay. It's like we just had mentioned. I've been giving her $600 every month in money orders. Plus, I take care of the insurance.
Okay. And how much is the insurance exactly?
Insurance is $109.
Okay. And I like that you came prepared with your notes and stuff. You don't see too many people come to court with their documents, so that's good. So about this significant other, do you believe that that's the reason you're being brought to court now?
Yes, completely.
Okay. Is there a story behind that? Like, did they have an argument, a disagreement?
Well, they don't like each other.
I mean, obviously.
Well, thing is that she's a yoga instructor.
Okay.
And she works, she does her yoga. And the woman I'm seeing now actually is a former student of hers.
Oh, so you know her.
Knew her.
You knew her?
Yes.
Were you guys friends?
She was an acquaintance that I'd help her, took her under my wing. She's younger, she's 20 years younger than me.
And you're mad about that?
I'm not happy about it. I mean, wouldn't you be? I mean, what do you expect, you know?
Well, me personally, you know, this has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, this caught me off guard. I do focus myself a lot at work. He's upset, so I'm hardly focusing on him. So I guess that's why he's decided to find somebody else.
She's focused on her work and not on me and her son. That's the reason why we're having issues now.
Okay. And that's the reason, obviously, why you guys are split and you're with someone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Based on your financial documents that you provided, it looks like you own an accounting firm. You make about $85,000 a year?
Correct.
Okay. And health insurance, you said, who covers that?
I do.
How much is that?
$109 a month.
Okay. So what we are going to do is calculate your child support and...
So here's where things really heat up. Mrs. Allen isn't just upset that her husband has moved on. She's frustrated because she feels he's no longer doing right by their son. But hold up. He's already been sending her $600 a month and even covering their child's insurance. Still, Mrs. Allen wants more. She's demanding back pay. Her argument? He's now financially supporting his new girlfriend, who, don't forget, used to be her yoga student. Now the big question, is this really about overdue support, or is it about who he's choosing to support now? Is she fighting for her child's needs, or trying to make a point? It's a tangled situation, and the judge will have to sort through all the emotion to get to the truth. Let's see how the court handles this financial and emotional tightrope.
Comes out to, if there is a difference, then the back pay would be what you've already paid would be a credit towards that. So you wouldn't necessarily get the full amount of what the back pay should be. And you shouldn't expect it because he has proof that he's giving you money and you actually agreed that he's been giving you money. So based on your $85,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,974. Net comes out to $5,493.29. And I gave you credit for your medical care for the child, and that's for the child only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I gave you credit for that. So that brings your child support obligation, well, not the full amount, but it's $1,098.60. Okay? $1,098.60. And when you multiply that by 5 months, back pay comes out to $5,493, giving you credit for what you've paid. You said $600?
Yes.
Okay, so $600 times 5 for the past 5 months will be $3,000. That's what you get a credit for. So when you apply the credit to the $5,493, it comes out to $2,493 that's remaining.
Now it's time to crunch the numbers, because this case just got serious. We're entering the legal math zone, where emotions take a back seat and the facts speak loud and clear. The judge begins calculating exactly how much the husband should be paying in child support, factoring in credits for the insurance he's been covering. Seems fair, right? But here's the twist. Based on his income, the math shows he should actually be paying around $1,198 every month. That $600 he's been sending? It's not even close. Now comes the big question. Does he have a case in saying that $600 plus insurance is good enough? Or is he coming up short, plain and simple? From a legal standpoint, the numbers don't lie. Let's break down exactly how the court views this situation and whether he'll be hit with back pay or forced to increase those monthly checks.
The way that we kind of make sure you pay that over time, you want to cover the interest on the amount each month.
Okay.
So you can do about $149 would be interest if you do like 6% interest every month, which is what the state is entitled to. So about $150 a month would cover the interest, and you would add that to the monthly child support obligation. So that will make your full monthly child support obligation $.
Okay. But
And once that $2,493 is paid in full, the amount will go back down to the $1,098.60.
I mean, I've been giving her money. I think the $600 was sufficient.
Well, technically, it is good that you did give her money, but your child support obligation based on what you make comes out to about $400 more than that. So you were short. Had you been giving her $1,000 a month, it would have probably...
It's crunch time, and the numbers just got real. The judge isn't sugarcoating anything. Back pay is owed, plain and simple. Here's how it breaks down. Over the past 5 months, the total child support should have come to $5,493. Since the husband has already paid $600 a month, he gets credit for a total of $3,000. That leaves a remaining balance of just under $2,500. Sounds manageable, right? Not so fast, because here comes the kicker. The state adds interest to unpaid support. That's right. every month that balance quietly grows. It's like a ticking financial time bomb, just waiting to explode. So while he may have thought he was keeping up, the court sees a growing debt, and it's not done growing yet.
Okay. Do you all have any other questions? Anything else we need to discuss here today? Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. You're welcome.
Hold up. Things just hit a whole new level. The judge has spoken, and the final ruling is in. For the next few months, the husband's payments are jumping to $1,248 a month. That includes regular child support plus interest on the unpaid balance. It's a big leap from the $600 he thought was enough. But here's the twist. Once the back pay is cleared, his monthly obligation will settle at $1,198, the proper amount based on his income. Let's be honest, he's been underpaying for 5 months. Could he have done more? Absolutely. And this new number reflects that. In court, fair doesn't always mean comfortable. It means owning up to what's owed and catching up on what was missed.